I want to talk in English fluently. That's why I'm making this. That's why I am making this video. Today we are talking about my studies table. Here you can some see books. Uh, Here is a English book, a computer book, international book, and our country about Bangladesh book. Also a general science book, English literature books. Also you can see our Sangbidan, and I have a uh, master masters final year book that's for mathematics, and also a current affairs. On the other side you can see a Bangla books, Ogrodut Bangla. Here is a class 9-10 Bangla books. This one is Khairul's basic math. This one applied mathematics is for honors final year mathematics department. This one is inter for inter. This one also for inter second year. This one is 9-10 book, or you can see intermediate levels books, and this one also intermediate books. So that's all for today. We are improving day by day. We are improve we are improving day by day. Stay tuned. We are success one day, inshallah.